everybody, this is Rob Sonny with Land Coda. It's a beautiful day in South Dakota today. I know a lot of you guys are out in the field farming, doing some planting, tillage, some spraying. We're over at Kibble Equipment in here on South Dakota today. I want to show you quick products that I think that's going to make your day in the field a lot nicer. This is a John Deere 8R series tractor. It's got a category 4 drawbar. And if you're pulling a smaller implement, say your planter or your tillage piece has a category 3 implement, and you're using your category 3 hitch pin, once you put that in there, you're gonna have a lot of slack, a lot of sloppiness, a lot of excess pin wear, because when you're starting and stopping, you're gonna be jarring back and forth in the field. So we have a kit here that's gonna take all that out of there. It's a category 4 to 3 conversion kit. And what comes in that kit, you have your lower drawbar pin bushing. It's a category 4 on the outside and category 3 on the inside. Goes in the lower part of the drawbar. We send along this poly disc as well. That's going to take out any wear from this category 4 to 3 bushing from your implement hitch. And then you have your top drawbar bushing. Goes right in the top part of the clevis. And then take your category 3 hitch that comes in the kit, slide it right in, and it's a tight fit, takes all that jarring out of there. You're not going to get any of that excess pin wear. What's nice about this kit is that it's an AutoDrop style pin. So when you're hooking up to your planter, your spreader, when you back up to your drawbar on your implement, and the implement hits this trigger back here, it's going to slop right in. So then maybe you just have to pull forward an inch and the pin goes right down into the hole. Makes it really nice, really easy to hook up. Another thing that's awesome with this, if you have a category 4 hitch on your implement and your tractor's category 3, you can just get this bottom drawbar bushing and put that right into your implement, make that category 3, and use your category 3 hitch pin, and it'll be a tight fit there. This kit isn't specific to John Deere. This will work with Case IH or New Holland category 4 drawbars. Just make sure it's a drop pin on your hitch, or if you know it's a power pin drawbar, and it'll work perfect. We also have these in category 5 to 4 for the bigger Case IH and New Holland 4-wheel drive tractors. And then for the big John Deere 4-wheel drives of a category 4, or category 5, excuse me, we have the John Deere category 5 to 4 hitch pin reducer kit. The top bushing is machined into the pin, going from category 5 to 4, and this is your lower drawbar bushing. So if you guys have any comments, give us a comment down below, give me a question, or give us a call. And yeah, to all you farmers out there, thank you, we appreciate you. Stay safe, God bless, and have a great day.